Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Hampton Bay ceiling fan remote not working, remote not responding fix. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then take out the old batteries. Insert new batteries making sure the positive and negative ends are correct. Then close the battery cover and test the fan. Second one is check the power to the fan. Make sure the wall switch for the fan is turned on, then check that the circuit breaker has not tripped. Restore power if needed, then try using the remote again. Third one is match the DIP switches setting. Turn off the fan power, then open the battery compartment on the remote and locate the DIP switches. Then remove the fan canopy and find the receiver DIP switches. Make sure both sets of switches are in the same position. Then turn the power back on and test the remote. Fourth one is repair the remote. Turn the fan power off at the wall switch or breaker, then wait about 30 seconds. Turn the power back on, then within the first minute, press and hold the learn, pair or fan off button for several settings. Then check if the fan responds. Fifth one is reset the fan. Turn off power to the fan for about 5 minutes, then turn the power back on. Try pairing the remote again if required. Test all remote functions. Thanks for watching.